Oh my God.
Good morning. I am out walking early this morning. I don't know, my face is just scarred up, but 11:13, and I have about 3,300 steps in. So, about to keep walking, and the dogs are at the dog park, and I'm just walking in circles. Okay, so I'm about to make me a like sweet and spicy tea. I'm using burdock root, I'm using turmeric, and ginger. So I have a lot of stuff going on today. I got a baby shower to go to, so before I go to the baby shower, I'm trying to get like a lot of meals and stuff prepped. I got salmon cooking in the oven for tacos. And then this is just for like a tea that I'm making. So I'm just about to press this stuff down pretty small. A cool thing, I got this as a present from a friend. Shout out to Lily. Okay, so then I'm also making some spaghetti. So I'm prepping for the spaghetti. I need to cut stuff up for that. This stuff right here is for the tacos. I need to make some guacamole. And then I'm also gonna juice because I don't wanna have to do that for Sunday. We still have some of the juice left over. Like we still have some orange juice and some of the green juice. But I'm trying to stay ahead of it, because if not, I'm like, you'll look around and it'll be Monday and then you'll be like, damn. So, go ahead and chop this stuff up. Ooh. Smells like carrots. I have some sweet basil in here that I'll be adding as well. And the sweet basil, I buy that in packs from Natural Grocers. They sell like big packs of shit, what is it called? Not spices, but yeah, pretty much would be a spices that you can use to put in your teas. So like technically I really don't buy like tea bags. Samaya buys tea bags, so depending on what she buys, sometimes I might use those, but normally I'll just make my own, because I mean, shoot, I've had this for a minute now and it goes like a long way because the bag is pretty big. All right, so I think that's about enough. I'm gonna add these two things in there since I already put them. But I already put the ginger, I'm putting in the turmeric, and then I'm gonna put the burdock. This is really just like an immune booster type tea. I have been doing like the 20K steps a day, and I went from literally kind of like no working out to just straight working out. So I don't want to just like hurt my body too bad, because my foot has been kind of hurting a little bit since I've been walking on it a lot more. And this burdock has been sitting out, so it's kind of soft. Hopefully it's not like bad or nothing. So sorry y'all, my nose is runny. And that's a really, really, really big reason as to why I've been switching over to try to be more of like on the alkaline side of like veganism, or not really just vegan, but like vegetarian. Just because I want to see if it actually like helps my sinuses and all that, because I'm like always having to blow my nose like all the time. My nose is just runny all year round. All right, I'm going to go ahead and start doing everything and let y'all just watch. And we're about to get started. I do use spring water just because I don't care what nobody says, like honestly, it is a big difference in taste. Like between faucet water that has fluoride, and I mean, You got core water, spring water. Like, you can taste the difference in water. Like, I don't care what nobody say. You can taste the difference. That's chocolate. 1, 2, 3. And if this isn't sweet enough, I'll just go in and add some like agave to it. But I think this should be good. Alright, about to get started.